Hey guys, Jake here. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Fleximount shelving system. It's rated for 400 pounds and should be easy to install by just one person such as myself. By the way guys, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe because we'll have a bunch of great videos coming up ahead. So as you can see, I've been using Fleximount products for a while. I have a video on my channel that's probably 5 years old of me putting up one of these wall mounts, and Fleximount's contacted me to do a video on these shelves I'm about to put up. Now here we are, we're just going to unbox this. You can see that it's packaged up pretty well. Everything's wrapped in plastic, and there's no scratches on anything. Now you can see that it comes with all the hardware. Here's some lag bolts that'll go right into a stud behind the wall, and there's a molly that'll go right into a concrete or brick wall. Now here's the installation template they provide you. It's got a little bubble level on it so you could get the right level onto the wall. Now these are just some of the parts that you need in the tools. Here's a socket, you got yourself a drill bit and a drill. And basically everything else is pretty self-explanatory. You're going to measure out on the wall where you need this thing to set up and be. Make sure you take note of where the beams are on your wall and mark out some holes using the provided template. Using the drill and drill bit, you'll drill straight into the beams, and you'll be able to take your drill as well and drill right into the beam with the lag bolt. And those lag bolts are very strong. They should be able to hold a lot of weight, and with 3 of them per bracket, I don't think you'll ever have a problem with these things tearing out the wall. When putting in these lag bolts, it might be useful to have an impact driver. Right now I'm using my drill, and as you can see, it does not have enough power to fully get those bolts seated up against the wall very tight. I ended up using just a ratchet with the socket attached to it, and that tightens those lag bolts down to the wall very, very tight. The hardware included with the Fleximounts is very, very strong. That's partially why these shelves are able to hold up to 400 pounds. It's because of these lag bolts that are basically drilled directly into studs, or as you'll see later on in the video, I have a few of these shelves that need to go onto a concrete wall. Luckily, the Fleximount's hardware kit includes those plastic mollies, which are perfect for going into the concrete wall. Those plastic mollies will even work if you, per se, have a brick wall that you need to go into. Now this goes without saying that these shelves cannot be hung on a wall with drywall if you do not go into the studs behind the drywall. It just won't be strong enough. These shelves are rated up to 400 pounds only if they go into a wooden stud behind the wall, or if they're mounted directly into a concrete wall or brick wall. Now as you can see, I'm just tightening up these shelves one last time with my ratchet. I don't have an impact driver that will be strong enough to fasten these lag bolts to the studs tightly. Now as you can see here, I'm placing the shelves onto the brackets that I've mounted onto the wall. Now it pops in pretty easy. You have to pop in the front one first, and the back one just drops right into place on it. Now you can see that there's a noticeable amount of play in those shelves. They like to slide around. Well, Fleximounts thought of this, and inside their hardware kit they include Velcro straps. The included Velcro straps can be used to tie down the shelves to stop them from moving. Now as you can see here, I am using a masonry bit on my drill to drill into this concrete wall. This concrete wall just so happens to be right next to the shelf I put up beforehand, so in order to continue the shelving, I need to drill directly into this concrete wall. To drill into this concrete wall, all you need is a hammer drill and a 5/16 inch masonry drill bit. And with this combination, you can see that the drill bit just effortlessly goes into this concrete wall. Now, you just need to make sure that you drill deep enough into the wall. And you can see I'm comparing the length of the molly to how far I drilled in with the drill bit. Once you determine that you drilled in far enough, now you can just take a mallet and drive the molly directly into the concrete. Now as you can see, you could also just use the drill and just drill in that same lag bolt that would usually go into a wooden stud behind drywall directly into that molly. Now, this process is basically the same for each of the shelving brackets, so I'm not really going to show you how to do that for all of them. What I am going to show you is the finished product. Now you can see I put one shelf up next to the Fleximount rack up top the ceiling rack. I have two shelves down there that hold some equipment underneath my ceiling rack as well. You can see you could hang some clothes or some life jackets in my case. You could hang basically anything on there. You could also put things up on the shelf, obviously. Now, the other place where I put my shelf is right in this corner next to my other Fleximount roof mat rack. And as you can see, it just mounts to the wall quite simply and basically just makes the whole rack just a little bit more useful. As you can see, this Fleximount product is incredibly useful and is overall a great product. And as always, the tools and products you see here are linked in the description. And again guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. And feel free to leave a comment if you wish. Thanks again.